Yes, students, this is the most important class of the classification. Student, many times you are saying that you feel many difficulties in the organic chemistry, okay, that you used to learn but it forget after some time. Okay, you are unable to understand the question given. What are the reason behind it? The reason behind it is in the exam the questions are asked on the basis of common name and IUPAC name of the organic compound, like the primary, secondary, tertiary. Now we are saying tertiary butyl alcohol, tertiary pentyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, normal pentanol or normal butanol. Getting? So it is very important, very first, to understand the question. Okay, the compound name and how to draw its structure, and then how to classify them, that they are of which category. Therefore, this is the most important class of the classification. You have to watch this video 2 to 3 times to understand the concept and for better learning. On the basis of number of carbon atom directly attached, means how many carbon atoms are directly attached with COH system. Like here, if this is a COH system, okay, I am trying one more. If suppose this is COH system and suppose this is another compound containing COH system, so this is about COH system. Now how many number of carbon atoms directly attached? Okay, like here, suppose with this COH system I am adding one more carbon here, okay, and completing its valency. So only one carbon atom is attached, therefore this become primary, okay, or 1 degree alcohol. Getting? And the name becomes what? In this condition, normal ethyl alcohol. No? Normal ethyl, why? Because 2 carbon atom is there, therefore called N-ethyl alcohol. Getting? This is called primary or 1 degree alcohol. Second class is, suppose I am adding 2 carbon atom directly attached with the COH system. This is 1 and this is what? 2 carbon atom, and completing its valency like that. So 2 carbon atoms are directly attached. Therefore now this class become what? Secondary, written as 2 degree or called iso. So its name become what? Iso compound. Isn't it? Now how can we give their name? So 1, 2, 3. 3, that is prop, and in common system YL. Therefore become propyl, and OH is there, therefore it will become propyl alcohol. But it is secondary, therefore before writing propyl alcohol we have to add a prefix what? Iso. So that become isopropyl alcohol. Similarly, the third category is, suppose 3 carbon atoms are directly attached. This is 1 carbon atom, this is 2 carbon atom, and this is 3rd carbon atom. Then these type of compounds are called tertiary. Okay, or we are writing it what? 3 degree. Okay, alcohols. And what will be its name? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. Therefore it is written name what? Butyl and what? Alcohol. but this is 3 degree. Therefore, first term will be tertiary butyl alcohol. Similarly, say this is COH system, and now I am attaching more carbon atom with it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Isn't it? And completing its valency. Now, what about this one? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, is it 5 degree? No. In fact, again, it is what? 1 degree or primary. Why? Because the directly attached carbon atom is what? Only 1. Therefore, it is 1 degree. Similarly, in secondary, we can write, suppose this is COH. Okay, and now I am attaching more number of carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3. Getting? And here what? Hydrogen. So now, how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is it hexa degree? No. Again, this is 2 degree. Why? Because only 2 carbon atoms are directly attached. With what? With the COH system. Now, what about it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, that is, it becomes what? 7 hept and YN heptyl. And the class is what? Alcohol. So heptyl alcohol. But the prefix will be what? Prefix will be isoheptyl alcohol. Getting? Similarly, here we can write, say, let it is COH, and I am attaching 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, and this is 1 and 2. Now, large number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, is it 6 degree? No. It is again what? 3 degree. Why? Because actually the directly attached carbon atoms are only how many? 3. Okay. Therefore, again it will be given the prefix what? Tertiary. Okay. And now 7 carbon atom. Therefore, tertiary heptyl alcohol. Are you getting? Similarly, if you have to write aromatic compound, say this is aromatic compound. Okay, in this aromatic compound, here is a understood carbon. Getting? And if this is what? OH group, so that becomes COH group. And how many carbons are directly attached? 1 and 1, 2. Therefore, this is what? 2 degree alcohol. Are you getting? But if we write compound like this, benzene ring, okay, and this is CH2, and this is what? OH. Now, this COH system is directly attached with only 1 carbon atom. Therefore, this is called 1 degree. This compound is called benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Benzyl what? Benzene ring and 1 carbon atom, benzyl alcohol. And this compound, you all know, this is called simply phenol.